sell or process further decision, whether we need to sell now or sell after modification. This is a kind of decision making. Let's take an example to convey this particular concept in a very easy manner. Assume that you are a used car seller. You have purchased a car at a price of 10 lakhs. This is the price at which you have purchased the car. You have two different options. Either you can sell as it is, or let's say sell now without having any modification. You can sell now at a price of 12 lakh. So after the purchase, if you sell as it is, you're gonna get 2 lakh profit. But you have one more option, that is sell after modification. This is the second option. So if you sell after modification, you can sell, of course, at higher price than this. Assume that is 13 lakh 50,000 rupees. At this price, you can sell. But instead of selling over here, if you sell over here, you will have some sort of modification cost. Incremental, not only incremental revenue, but also incremental cost also we can expect. So let's say modification cost as part of this modification. Some sort of modification if we can expect. Say for example, after buying the car, we can have a ceramic coating, and we can change the tires, and plenty of modification we can expect. Anyhow, instead of selling over here, after the modification, if you're selling, we'll have a cost of, say for example, 3 lakh rupees. 3 lakh rupees additional cost will be there from here. So here we are going to take a decision. What is that? Whether we need to sell now or sell after modification. This is a decision we are going to take. Here, as a common man, here itself, we came to a conclusion that we'll sell now, right? We'll understand in such a manner. Then what is our base for this? In which case the profit is more, then we'll opt that particular option, right? So let's make two different profit scenarios. First of all, let's see what will be the profit if we sell as it is, and what will be the profit if we sell after modification. So if we sell now, what will be the profit? Here we know that what will be our sales? Sales will be 12 lakh. What about the cost? Here we have one and only cost. If you are selling now, we have one and only cost, that is the purchase cost, right? In short, let's write PC. So what is the purchase cost? That is 10 lakhs. So this much only we have. From our revenue, if we deduct cost, we'll get profit, right? How much it would be? 2 lakhs. This will be our profit. But instead of this, if we sell after modification, sell after modification, what will be our profit? That one also we need to calculate, right? Here, what will be the sales? If you are selling after modification, what will be the sales? That is 13 lakh 50,000. 13 lakhs 50,000. From that, we are going to deduct the cost. What are the costs we will have if we sell after? We'll do either this or this. We cannot do both, right? So if you are selling after modification, what are the costs we will have? Purchase cost, of course, will be there. Even if you are selling after modification also, purchase cost, of course, we cannot avoid, right? That will be how much? That is 10 lakhs, right? That is 10 lakhs. And we have one more cost. What is that? That is modification cost. If you are selling after modification, we'll have one more cost, that is modification cost. How much it would be? That is 3 lakhs. Then what will be our profit in this case? From 13 lakh 50,000, if we deduct 13 lakhs, 50,000 will be our profit. Still we are in profit, but the problem is this profit is more than this profit, right? So which will be your decision? Based on the profitability comparison, we are gonna take this decision, right? This is our decision in this case. But we can calculate this is in another simple manner. We are gonna calculate marginal revenue and benefit, marginal cost out of it. What do you mean by marginal revenue? We're going to calculate marginal revenue and marginal cost out of it. What do you mean by marginal revenue? What are the benefits we can get as part of this modification? Marginal cost means what are the additional costs and losses we are incurring as part of this modification. Marginal revenue we can get in the form of increase in revenue or decrease in cost. Both are benefit for us. If it is benefit, we'll write it down here. If it is not benefit, we'll write it over here. So increase in revenue, decrease in cost, both are benefit, we'll write it over here. And increase in cost and decrease in revenue, both we'll write over here as well. Then we'll make a comparison. So that calculation and comparison will be very easy for making such a decision instead of comparing the income statement in this manner. Here, the entire benefits we are gonna separate over here as part of this modification. So instead of selling over here, if we sell over here, what will be our incremental revenue? Not about profit, incremental revenue only. This is sales and this one also sales. What is our incremental sales or incremental revenue? That is, instead of this, it will be 13.5 lakh. Let's say 1,50,000 will be the increase in revenue. 1,50,000. And instead of selling over here, if we sell over here, what will be the incremental cost? If you are selling here, we have only this cost only. But if you are selling here, we have this cost plus this cost. So here it is 10 lakhs only. If it is here 10 lakh plus 3 lakh, let's say 13 lakhs. So if it is here 10 lakh, here it is 13 lakhs. What is the incremental cost? This same itself, right? So cost increment, not benefit for us, right? So 3 lakh, we'll write it over here. We have this much data only. From revenue, if we deduct cost, we'll get profit. From marginal revenue, we'll deduct marginal cost, we'll get marginal profit, right? Marginal profit will be how much? 1,50,000 minus 3 lakh. That is 1,50,000 minus. What does it mean? Marginal profit means change in profit. If the change is plus, increase. If the change is minus, decrease. So what does it mean? Instead of selling here, if we sell here, our profit will be decreased by 1,50,000. Then we don't want to do that sell after modification. Here also we can see, instead of selling here, if we sell over here, what happened? Our profit gonna decrease by what amount? 2 lakh will become 50,000. That means 1,50,000 will be getting decreased. So this is how we can take sell or process further decision in short.